Hello and welcome back to another video of El Criptonauta. Today is Friday night, so the video will be launched on Saturday morning. A bit delayed today, but here we are. So let's gonna take a look to Bitcoin and what it's doing and what is the possible scenarios on the next weeks, to say something. So first of all, that's the chart that we are using for the last weeks and so on. So finally, we went to the moving average, which is the moving average that we were talking about for the last 2 or 3 months. And I was expecting this to be rejected, but at the moment seems that we have breakout. It means that we are, if that's a real breakout, which we don't know yet, um, that could be a possible different scenario from what we have had before. Okay, so basically, what I'm waiting now is to see the close, the weekly close, because last week we saw how we went over the moving average. So we closed it over the moving average, the 20 weekly and the 2000 daily, which are the moving averages used as a trend indicator. And seems that this week we want to continue going up. It's a bit weird to me to see that market structures, but it is what it is. That said, we are still trapped on the golden pocket of the movement. This is the golden pocket of the main movement. And as far as we know, in a downtrend, we never go up of a golden pocket. But let's see what happens that time. If we go up to that level, about the 454, something like this, and well, it will be like a trend continuation. So we will take advantage of that is if that happens. Okay, so not too much to say. Honestly, I don't trust too much that movement. It's as I said, it's a bit weird. It doesn't mean that I am not taking profit of it. I was trading all the way up. I was trying some shorts at that levels. It didn't work. Well, it worked some of them, but it was much more profitable to go long. Okay, so let's see what it does. It's a bit weird. Aside of that, we have to know that every summer, more or less in July, August, we have a bull movement, but then in the September we tend to have a descending movements. Okay, so I'm being very careful at that moment. Some altcoins has pumped a lot, more some of them 300, 400, and so on. So as more higher we are, as more cautious I am. Okay. That said, aside of Bitcoin, what we can see is the dominance. If we look at the dominance, this is the old chart. We could say that that was the channel. Sorry, let's put the 12-hour. That was a channel, but also if we delete this, let's clean a bit the chart. That was also a wedge. So we can see this. I have this in other charts. So the student knows what I'm saying now. And also with this we have that, more or less. And also with this we have that. The golden pocket. What does it mean? So the dominance, as you can see, we are breaking the immediate descending trend line. We have broke right now today. We are creating a double bottom, kind of double bottom here. Maybe we will grind a bit less. Let's see. But this seems that it wants to pump. Okay, I wouldn't know if it will be done here or maybe here. Let's see. If it pumps, basically the most probable scenario would be Bitcoin dumps, or if happens the same as we had in December of last year, it will mean that Bitcoin will take control and will go up while altcoins goes down. Nothing clear to me at this moment, honestly. I'm still focused on the scenario of a top movement on Bitcoin. while everyone is saying that we are going up, I think that could be a good trap. But let's see. That's it. I'm day trading, so I don't care what the long term will be. So I'm only taking advantage of that. If we look at the, let's see some, let's see some altcoins. Let's see Ethereum, for example, which is this one here. Okay, if we look at Ethereum, we see how we created a wedge. That was a wedge. Let me show you what I say. This more or less. That was a wedge. Lots of bear divergence. We broke the wedge, went down, and now we are retesting the wedge. Okay, lots of altcoins are doing exactly that kind of patterns. You will see, and let's see if that continues up or not. So basically, they broke the immediate trend, which was that one exactly, and Ethereum is arriving at a very important level. So if we measure the movement, this movement, let's see, I think we will arrive here at least, and then let's see if we break out or not. Lots of altcoins are doing exactly the same, and some of them even went much more higher. Okay, so not too much to say. Enjoy the movements, take advantage of it. Be careful, put your stop loss, because at some point I think that we can have a kind of blow off top, and everyone can get trapped. But anyway, nothing else to say. Let's see what will happen for the next 2 weeks, and let's see if September will be a descending trend as tend to use, or that time is different. Thank you very much. Enjoy the end of the summer, and see you in September. Bye.